Guys, we are going to train to find female friends. What he thinks we are?
Draai dat ding, brok it up, top, top. Draai dat ding, brok it up, top, top. Draai dat ding, brok it up, top, brok it up, top.
Cycle park.
Why can't you park it here only? Somehow.
Or we just tie both of them together. Man.
Yeah, who will take?
Yeah. If they take, then bad luck. Simple.
Gandu. Bad luck, my dad will. Gand luck he'll do.
You don't tell them your password. Uncle, my cycle is parked. Password is 1, 2, 3. Ask that guy. Where is the next train? What time it is coming? And where is it going?
Ask.
I can't ask.
What?
You ask. He's your homeboy. You want me to ask?
Yeah.
You want me to be manly?
Go.
Which side you want to go? This side you have already gone. We'll go this side.
Go. Wait, we don't need ticket for that. No, why would we need ticket?
Just now you were telling fine will happen, this will happen.
They'll catch us.
Bro, just ask her.
What I'll ask?
Be like, next train, when, which platform, how much?
ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ
ವೇರ್?
Wherever.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್.
ವೈಟ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್
Whitefield.
ವೈಟ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗೋದು.
ಇವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 5:45.
5:45 ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
Error ticket for
ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ?
Whitefield last.
ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು?
10 rupees
ಓಕೆ.
for 220.
ಹಾಂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
I thought 220. No, I got this. Okay, fine.
ಬಂಗಾರಪೇಟೆ 3 ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್?
Bro, I think I have cash.
I laugh now.
ಅಣ್ಣ 5 rupees ಚೇಂಜ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Now you're safe.
Bro,
10
start
rupees in
being
there.
a...
Yeah. 5:45 is coming. Whitefield rail. You guys are going to Whitefield.
I'll build a shit out of you, bro. You're buying the next ticket now if it goes back. No, we'll go here, there you buy again. We'll come back.
No, we'll go there.
And then we'll come back.
No. We'll go
No,
there.
then
And
we'll come
there
back.
We'll ask when is the next train.
Nigga, if there's fucking no train coming back when we're reaching back home, I'm jumping on you, you walk till here. Bro, it's like this.
Bro, then you should be a... Oh, shit. Then you should be a man.
And do what? Fuck a woman.
Yeah.
Why is that our train? Ours is 5:45.
Come fast.
I'll wait for the train to come. I'll come like Jeevan. I'll cross, sir. Huh? Don't worry, I'm not that stupid also. Guys, that is the train. All you are looking at me now, I can see their face in the camera later.
If this is not the last stop, then we'll get on. See, we can go front of.
How you tell?
Ask someone what is the next station.
I'm not asking.
Ask. You tell me what is the words.
Next station ಯಾವುದು?
Next station ಯಾವುದು?
ದೇವನಗೊಂದಿ.
You want to go?
You tell.
Come.
Go.
We reached in 5 minutes.
We'll get down. How much you stay here?
Devangonti will get down.
Guys,
And then we'll explore that area. Have you ever been to Devangonti? Reels right now, that means...
Shut up.
Devangonti is not. The air quality is way better. Look at sunset. Oh, bro, this is like a lifetime memory.
We've come to
Fuck is this?
Devanagunti. This is Devanagunti. Akshat likes this place.
Bro, look at the trees. There's no noise pollution.
He has no noise pollution here. Devanagunti.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye. This is dopamine. Bye. Bro, girls come back.
Oh, they're going reverse. This guy driver.
You want to chill?
After?
Studying a lot.
Studying a
Come
lot.
up to Devangonti. No, hear it. You can hear one car horn also.
But relaxation from deep studying. Use Cloudy, no? Guys, you're going to ask them
If there is a way to go ahead.
because this is a village and next stop has everything apparently. This Katyal thinks we have to go to next stop. So we'll ask the ticket counter when is the next stop train.
Oh, there are 3 tracks. This is an upgraded.
So where this goes to?
This middle one is for gay people. If you're gay, you go in the middle one.
Whoa, close one. Oh, that was hurting.
Look at that forest over there. Imagine we go inside now.
And have sex, huh?
Oh, every time you think about gay stuff only. Bro, here also one more track.
We'll do running race track. You run that side.
See, imagine you go inside that.
And do what? No, you tell me. No, come now, we're going, bro.
My balls, you'll get scared.
Your balls are getting scared.
Go ask.
Gay, you are. Come now.
Please respond.
What, you want to have sex, sir?
You think you'll go to
We
there?
won't have. Come.
How you'll go? There's probably someone's land. That house is there.
So trespassing will kill
Shoot
us.
us off.
No, they won't.
They won't shoot.
No.
Fine.
Bro, come, we'll go to that forest. You're so horny, no? Come. Come.
I will come.
You come
I'll
then.
only tell in between, bro.
Ah, come.
Actually,
Surely, yeah. No, come. Jump down.
Jump.
Jump.
Jumping is nothing.
No, come, we go. Ask for ticket. Joking. Once I tell, I don't go back on my word. Go now.
What's the forest?
No. Moon will go. That forest is today. You are only
Where
going.
is the forest? There's no forest over
No, you're going inside that place. I don't know.
Where is the forest?
No, that is forest only for you, no?
That is just high grass.
What is there?
How do you go down?
From here only.
So someone's murdered. Oh no, this is the railway line.
Someone died there, duh.
That is SMR. SWR actually. Why you want to go to their house?
No.
Bro,
we'll-
this is just blocking. There's another land over there.
No Dutch forest.
So you go ask what time train comes.
Randu you are.
No, I'm being on a safer side. Actually, I'm
Ah.
older than you, no? So I have to choose the wise decisions. Like Devangonti.
That is your house only next, bro. You become millionaire, no? To come to Devangonti.
Buy one land in Devangonti. Full peaceful. You enter Hoodie, bro, you'll smell of traffic, pollution, everything.
Guys, that's Akshat.
That's, you know, there was one rabbit over there.
Oh.
It made that noise and it stopped. Actually, I can't make that noise anymore. It's time to get on.
Get on what?
I can't walk on this peasant. Let's see what train is coming. Oh, bro, Mallu, come. Let's go. Congrats.
Guys, he's on
Congrats.
DC.
Come,
Is
come.
Direct shoot.
Is he going the gate track? Yeah, then it won't stop. It's coming in the middle. Bro. I'm sorry, but it's not stopping. Cardio. Okay, bye.
Wasting my battery talking to you.
Haven't got
What's your battery?
2017.
22, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way. Get out. Hey.
Feel the peacefulness.
Feel. Take it in.
But I'm taking it in.
Take it in. Nicely.
Haven't got it.
Till as long as you take it.
Bro, come here, sit and don't talk.
We'll play one must song, item song here.
No. This song is
आज की रात. Played Gandu.
listen to
We listen to you moaning.
Mother Nature.
Mother Nature. Mother Nature. Father
It's
where?
only in silence that you get the best thoughts.
Get.
From Malur also you can go to Puducherry.
That is your best thought. Your thoughts you don't. Keep it with yourself. Take this Mother Nature. Keep it in.
Bro, if you didn't get down, no, like a pussy, we would be in Malur right now.
This Mother Nature, who would have taken it in? Nobody.
I think I can hear one train. I think it's my insomnia. I suffer from crippling insomnia.
It's actually a train.
Oh, I'm never wrong. I'm always right. I am right-handed. Bro, I'm so smart, bro.
Tell your parents, call them.
I tell my parents and they ain't going to know. They'll get a heart attack. That's also going in mid-12. It will stop or what? If it stops in the middle, no, very smart than Indian railway system.
Yeah, it is us.
Azam, Anna Malur.
Louder you are, bro.
Anna Malur hogboda.
But today I got to know you're gay.
That's
Confirmed.
also one train is coming. But that is cargo train, I think. Anna. Yeah, this is going to Jolarpetta.
If it stops, that is.
My aura is losing.
Bro, have you ever removed your t-shirt in a railway station?
No.
Just now it was removed. Why you wore it again?
You remove and show?
You remove, I'll remove.
Gay or what?
Remove your pants.
Then what you'll remove?
My t-shirt.
Oh. Are you gay?
Zoom into that fellow. Only 2 secs.
Don't scare him, bro. Tell him we want his kidneys.
You want his kiss? Will you kiss a random stranger for $1,000?
Gay, bro.
No, $1,000.
Bro, Devan Gunta also is good only.
And that random stranger is that fellow in orange. He's sitting over there.
Bro, I'm telling you, Devan Gunta also there'll be something.
Nothing is there.
Why it won't be there?
Because I searched, like, Shri Devi mess is there.
Bro, that's pretty good. Bro, it's not coming, bro.
Bro, that is what you think. If you can't see it, that does not mean it's not coming.
Bro, it's so much shit you touch now. Buy one fucking hand sanitizer now.
I'll just wash my hands.
Oh.
Free water is free, soap is free.
Bro, you should have a rich mindset.
Yeah. We'll buy ticket while going home. That is a rich mindset.
Bro, Gandu, we should have taken some scooter or bike. Train.
Bro,
Sheldon,
when
no?
you're with everyone,
Huh?
you're with the local public, so you feel the localness. In your life, you've never come here.
I have.
You've done a new life experience today.
Bro, you kiss a dog. New experience you get. Street dog.
No, I'm telling you, 1,000 rupees. You,
Okay, you
you
want
go
me to
kiss him. Yeah,
Gandu, you are.
you go kiss him off.
Already wearing mask. Corona he has probably. Oh, lights on.
Turn on the lights. Not the flashing lights.
Show your train, bro. Cock for you.
Why you don't have cock?
I have shuttlecock.
I knew it. Fusuk it is, fusuk. Doesn't get hard, it becomes fusuk. Shuttlecock. Mine is like a man's cock.
You're gay, huh?
Why do you keep asking me? Every day. You're gay, huh?
Bro,
Have I ever asked you? You know
Hey.
what is that noise? Praying mantis. They're praying right now. Like Muslims. Their praying time is like 5:15, no? These people's.
Bro, Muslims don't pray.
They are praying. Mantis.
Gandu, your train.
1 minute, I'm calling. Hello. Can you hear me? Yes.
He told 10 minutes, other lady told 10:30.
There was one guy inside, he was watching reels and telling me 10:30. He's probably telling me his dinner time.
I can't see any train.
Bro, I look good in sleeveless, huh?
No, bro.
Yeah, you're gay, no?
Keep asking me. Lode. Gandu.
This is the first time I asked you.
No, first time only.
First time I asked you.
First time, special time.
Every day, first time you ask.
Bro, get water now.
Bro, hot water is also water. Bro, if you were sat on the train, we would have finished eating and we'd be coming back. There's the lights on.
Gandu, you won't want to get off Gunti.
Louda.
You want to next station,
No.
we'll get off. There no Gunti. Nigga, this one is coming, bro.
Nigga, so imagine you did
What?
research. Like you don't want to do research for Goa, no? So we didn't do research. So this is what happens if you don't do research.
What, you're enjoying the mother nature. This wouldn't have happened if you did research. Even intercourse.
We would have gone to Mallur.
And did what? Find out that Devan Gunti never exists.
So you care about Devan Gunti?
Yeah, bro, this mother nature is really nice. Forest also is there.
This is also coming on the. No, it's not. I can't see. It's too bright. This is also gay.
It has
no,
torchlight.
Yeah, it has torch.
Why? It has to take left and right. Nigga, Hoodi 5 stations have come already.
2 stations.
Loaded 3 already went by.
2 stations now.
3.
Whitefield, then Devan Gunti.
Abhi,
Simple.
train to going to Hoodi, 3 trains came already. Look at this full evacuated train. No.
No, it's coming left. It's not gay like you. It's coming. Oh yes, harder.
Hey, bro.
Bro, why? Bro, we go to Mallur. Like
How many people you stand with now?
Bro, the more people you stand with, the more you realize you're only human.
He'll come till here, no?
Yeah, I'll come to here.
You'd stop a half station, then go back reverse. You put reverse gear. Bro, you see the... Bro, the lighting is insane.
Yeah, then fuck yourself.
I can't do that, sorry.
Put super
It's
night.
coming slowly, you know why? Bye guys. Train is coming very slowly.
Every
Guys, we're in Blue Conti.
stops there, we're fucked.
Oh my god, we are fucked. We are fucked. Nigga, get up. Pick this up. Nigga, pick it up. We are fucked. It stopped up there only. Laude ke baad train. Like one Gandu. Gandu train. Gandu. No, I'm sorry. Don't go fast enough. It's time to get in.
Fuck.
Bro, it's like the same niggas. The same people.
Explain what
Guys, we are
happened.
moving. Actually, the train was not long enough. Like my, like Adi's dick. Okay.
No, yours
No, no.
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 Guys, as he was still the truth. He stopped, started lying. We're going to Mallur now. Guys, we waited half an. We left our place at 5:30, 5:45. It took in 1 hour for this giraffe to come.
It was not long enough.
So guys, now we're going. Look at that.
Black.
Lode thinks he's a Bahubali, but he's not actually.
Don't get lost.
Hold my hand. Yeah.
Look at my stats.
क्या रे?
We are here. Main road is here. Full shops, meaning shops.
How we go to main road now?
Wait. First we'll be safe. We'll ask them when's the next train to Hoodie and when's the last train to Hoodie.
Why someone standing in front of the train?
Next train and last train. Okay. That is your blowjob to do.
Gandu, don't talk like that. Nonsense.
There's so many rabbits over here.
हम प्यार करने वाले प्यार लड़ने वाले.
Station is only under construction. You feel the spookiness of the undiscovered place. Suddenly you get jumped. Hey. Money, paisa. Dead. If it says last train to Hoodie is at 12 o'clock.
Welcome to Tokyo.
Yeah, you edit on this song. That's common. Ask bro.
Next station,
John.
Tokyo.
Oh fuck. Ask.
What a last.
Next and last.
Next station, Hoodie. Oh,
Next train.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹುಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಯಾವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 9 o'clock. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇರಲ್ವಾ ಹುಡಿಗೆ?
I literally have an app.
Huh? Yeah, you're saying something, Akshar. Title your side profile is nice. Title, where are we going now?
I'm getting touched by like 1,000 people.
Where are we going now?
We are going to. If it stops at Hoodie, we are going to Hoodie. If it doesn't stop at Capuram, we are going to Capuram.
So guys, we are going back because this was the last station. So
This is not the last station. This is
to
the
Hoodie.
last train.
This was the last. This was the last train to Hoodie. So we took this train now. So we went to Devangunte. We waited half an hour. Went to Mallur. Mallur we are coming back now. Now we'll be.
I don't think so. This was the last train. I think we became the pussies.
Correct. Huh? Tell me your thoughts, bro. How do you feel?
Very bad.
Very bad. What else do you feel?
You.
Huh?
You.
You feel. Where are we?
KRपुरम डीजल लोको स्टैंड
देखिए लगेज
Where we
उठा
have?
लाइक जाने बिजार होता है उनको उनको
किसी train wanted to
वे नहीं
stop.
सुनते उनका चुनाव करती है
What happened to Mallur?
इतनी काम बोला तो यू ऐसा क्या कर कुछ
Where is
it risky?
खाली
You would have started,
हमको गाड़ी क्या होना
panicking.
सो पहले
If you
गाड़ी
didn't get a
हल्दी
train.
हो हाँ
There's no metro connectivity.
कंडीशन नहीं है मैं जरा देख को चला लेती तो गाड़ी वो
Now I lost. What truck, Akshat? Guys, we bought a private truck. Guess how much?
How much?
Guess
You don't like $50.
15 each.
15 each?
Yeah.
That's too less. $15. It's better than a bus.
You know, some people it's like, you know, you did something bad and thing. And it's like they'll tell like you give lesser money transport to like these many people for like 1 year, then your all sins will go. That's what some people
Some
do.
God thing.
Last time me and Sanjay we got one guy just like recently. He's like, how much are you feel like paying? You pay. We were like, fine. We paid him 20, 10 each.
Air conditioning.
Windows are from what? Guys, we took this traveler. We are paying $15 from Krishna Rajapuram to Hudi station. Hudi station we'll get, and then we'll
You did all this in a different station.
say it again. We're going to go to Hudi station, go to pick our cycles, eat momos, and come back. This is the traveler, Akshat Katyan.
Give it 360 of the traveler.
Guys, we got down from the traveler. Now we're walking to Hudi railway station, getting our cycles back, and then go eat something. Now we're back to Hudi.
Replacement is zero.
We haven't eaten anything in Mallur or Krishnarajapura or what is that one more? Kutti? No,
Devan good.
Devan Gunti. That also we didn't eat. We're back to Hudi. Hudi is the best spot to eat, guys. We'll eat here only now. Or there's no point. This is my friend's Aditya Jain's parlor. He's taken my name for publicity. It's alright. So now we got down from Traveler, going to get our cycles. Then we'll eat something. Bye bye.